Hi, today we're going to talk about the short A sound and sight words the, is, I, am. Last week we talked about vowels, that they are A, E, I, O, U. We said that vowels can have a short sound or a long sound. The long sound of a vowel makes the sound of the letter, like the A in eight, A, eight. Today we are going to talk about the short sound of A. Let's make the letter A. Let's draw the letter A together. A, A, A. The short sound of A sounds like a, cat. A, 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 A. Here's some more words with the short sound of A. Cat, map, sat, ran, can, van, an, at. A sounds like ah. A sounds like ah. The short sound of A sounds like ah. We're going to talk about some sight words. Sight words are words that are common words, words that we use all of the time. We memorize these words. Memorize the word as a whole by sight. We are going to learn 4 sight words today. The, is, I, am. The, T-H-E, the, 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 the. When you see these letters T-H-E together, you know the word is the. Let's write the word the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the. The next sight word we're going to talk about is. Is, 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 is. Let's write the word is. I-S, is, I-S, is, I-S, is, I-S, is, I-S, is. The next word we're going to talk about is I, one letter, I. Let's write the word I. We use a capital when we use I. And the next one, am, 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 am. Let's write the word am. A, am, am, a, m, am, a, m, am, a, m, am. Let's read a sentence with sight words and words with the short A sound. The man is sad. We know the word the, so we can just say it, the. Man, we can sound it out. Man. The man, we know is sad, sad. The man is sad. The man is sad. Let's look at some more words with the short A sound. First, we'll sound them out, and then we'll say them again. Lamp, 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 lamp. Flag, 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 flag. Axe, axe, axe. Sack, tag, tag, tag. And man, man. And fan, fan. And can, cat, cat, cat. Cap, cap, cap. At, hat, hat. Ham. Bag, bag, bag. Let's say them again. Lamp, flag, axe, sack, bat, pan, back, tag, man, fan, can, cat, cap, hat, ham, bag. Here's some more sentences with the sight words and short A sound. The cat sat and sat. The cat sat and sat. The cat sat and sat. The man ran and ran. The man ran and ran. The man ran and ran. The fat man sat. The fat man sat. The fat man sat. The cat is sad. The cat is sad. The cat is sad. The cat ran. The cat ran. The cat ran. I am sad. I am sad. I am mad. I am mad. I am mad. Let's write a sentence. Let's write the cat ran. The T-H-E cat. C-A-T ran. R-A-N. The cat ran. The cat ran. Okay, that's our lesson for today.